This video will show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a Pontiac Grand Prix. This will be located along the passenger side of your windshield under your wiper cowl. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. With the hood in the upright position, we're looking along the front of the windshield where our wiper cowl is. Now we have a rubber seal making its way across the front of this area. I'm just going to carefully pull it away. We can leave the driver's side intact. Now with that out of place, we're looking at our washer tube. There's a few mounting points. There's one over here, one in the center, and all the way over towards where the wiper arm mounts. We'll pop that free and just pull this down and out of the way. Now you're going to have two push clips that need to be removed. We have one on the outer corner. You can use a flat blade screwdriver. I'm using a trim tool. I'm going to start removing the center portion to unlock it. Once you have that lifted up, you should be able to remove the outer portion as well. Now, if that did happen to come apart, that's okay. Just reinsert it, but leave it in the unlocked position for the installation process. This looks good. I'm moving along to the next. Now we're making our way all the way towards the center of the vehicle. We have another push clip here. Now the plastic cowl should easily lift up and away. That exposes our cabin air filter. As we look in this area, typically you're going to find there's a small grab tab on the cabin air filter. Take hold of that and we'll slide it out of position. There it is, friend. Now prior to installing our brand new part, of course we want to make sure we clean and inspect the mounting area. We're looking deep inside here. We can see the blower motor. Make sure there's no miscellaneous debris in there. If there is, use a vacuum and clean it out as necessary. This looks good, so let's prepare for installation. Now we can install the brand new cabin air filter. We'll make sure we have the grab tab facing up. We're flexing it in and pressing it down. There's our grab tab right up top, like I said. One last quick inspection in this area, we can reinstall our plastic panel across the top of this area. With that in place, let's continue on with our plastic push clips. We have them in the unlocked position with the center pulled up. Press the outer portion in. Lock it in with the center. Go ahead and press that down. On to the next. Double check, make sure that plastic panel is secured in place. Now it's time for our washer fluid line. We'll press it into the corresponding ports. Make sure that's secured as well. Now it's time for the rubber seal. Line it up, press it into position. Okay friend, we finished the installation of the vehicle cabin air filter. The next thing I always like to do is make my way inside of the passenger compartment. With the key in the on position, I'm going to run the blower motor on all speeds and confirm there's no odd noises from the blower motor. If you do hear odd noises, more than likely something fell inside of the blower motor. You didn't clean it out well enough. Assuming there's no noise, go ahead and close the hood. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.